So as you're building a home, remodeling, or just living in a home, one of the things you always have to think about are your locks. And I'm at Schlage, and I'm joined with Ben Hopkins. Ben, let's first talk about one of the things you're introducing at this show is customization. Customization is big. People want to have things their way. Talk about the program that you have.
Yeah, Schlage Custom allows you to mix and match any knob or lever with any rose.
And that's what this is called, is a rose?
A rose,
I love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
In any combination you'd like, in any finish you'd like. So you could simply match it up with a nice round rose, or something a little bit different.
So I can also change handles and knobs with all of them.
What's interesting is you can mix and match handles, knobs.
Total customization.
Total customization.
Even glass knobs, I love it.
Even with glass.
And how many finishes do you have on your
So today we have custom in 6 finishes.
Okay, very cool. You also are looking at technology in the home. So let's talk about the electronics. Just show it to me.
Yeah. This is our Schlage Code Smart Wi-Fi lock. It's got Wi-Fi built right in, and so it just works out of the box without any hub or any third-party software.
Is this something that if I have a traditional circle lock I can put into my door?
Yep, no additional prep required.
Okay.
It fits right in the same prep as a mechanical deadbolt.
Okay, so how does this work?
Oh, really easy to use. Installs really quickly, just takes a couple of minutes. First thing you do is download the Schlage Home app,
right,
and you connect it to your Wi-Fi network.
Okay.
Give it a name. In this case, it could be your front door, and you're off and running.
Okay.
You can program codes remotely through the app. You can access the lock through the app, and you can share access codes with others through the mobile app.
So I can just put this in and have an instant keyless entry into the home.
One of the real neat things about this is that you also get notifications in real time when anyone uses a PIN code. So within seconds, you know your son or daughter or friend has come in and they've locked the door behind them.
Got it. This is also great for people as they're doing VRBO, Airbnb, etc.
Yeah, it's an excellent choice for something like that as well. One of the big challenges with Wi-Fi has always been battery life. We've done a lot of work to maximize that battery life and really deliver a seamless installation and use without any additional hubs or software.
Does the app work with other, is it open systems?
Great question. Yeah, the app essentially unlocks integrations with Amazon Key and with Ring and all the voice assistants.
I'm with Ben Hopkins of Schlage.